This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress Admin. Immediately upon logging in, you will see your main dashboard, which provides a quick overview of your site's activity and essential information. The left-hand sidebar is your primary navigation, allowing you to access posts, pages, media, and various settings. Getting familiar with this layout is the very first step toward confidently managing your online presence. Next, let's explore creating content, which is likely why you have a website. You can easily add new posts for blog entries or news updates and create static pages for information like your About Us or Contact sections. All your images, videos, and documents are managed within the media library, making it simple to insert them into your content. This streamlined process helps keep your site dynamic and full of engaging material. Now, let's make your site look exactly how you want. WordPress uses themes to control its overall appearance. You can browse hundreds of free and premium options to find the perfect fit. The built-in customizer tool then allows you to make real-time adjustments to elements like your site's colors, fonts, and header images, all without writing a single line of code. This powerful feature ensures your site truly reflects your brand's unique identity. Finally, let's fine-tune your site's core functionality. Under Settings, you can adjust crucial details like your site title, tagline, and permalink structure, which impacts search engine optimization. Furthermore, plugins allow you to add features, such as contact forms or security enhancements, with just a few clicks. Regularly reviewing these backend options helps ensure your WordPress site runs smoothly and efficiently, reaching its full potential.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.